Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by cutting power. Unplug the fridge or flip the breaker to avoid shocks. Once done, open the compartment and remove any shelf or bin blocking the light housing so you have clear access. Make sure to inspect the housing and read the bulb type stamped there, incandescent, halogen, or LED module, because replacements differ. While you're looking, have a towel and a small flashlight ready to catch parts and improve visibility. This speeds the rest of the job. Now remove the plastic lens or cover. Pry gently with your fingers or a small screwdriver to avoid cracking it. Next, unscrew or unclip the existing bulb. If it was recently on, let it cool and use gloves or a cloth to protect your hands and prevent oils on LED contacts. Install the new bulb, aligning base and pins, and if it's an LED module, observe polarity markings. Press or screw it in securely. Once seated, reattach the lens, and with the new bulb in place, restore power and close the door to test the light. Watch for steady illumination and no flicker. If it works, reopen and reinstall shelves or bins you removed, then snap the lens fully into place so it won't vibrate. Dispose of the old bulb safely, recycle if required. If the light doesn't come on, first make sure power is restored, then confirm the bulb is seated and the door switch is functioning. If still dead, try a known good bulb to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.